what I really like about Avon and what I really like about their design choices is I flip my lights on and you can see the colors. All the font and the colors match. I really like this amber color. It's one of the things about BMWs I like a lot in comparison to other manufacturers that have different colors. I really like this amber. So the fact that it matches means a lot to me, and I think it's a really cool choice. So as you look at this, you can see that it's up and running. It's a touch screen, so you can go through and you can manipulate by hand. We've got volume control, so that's working great. I said, being a touchscreen, and let me kill music here. Using touchscreen, you can go through all your different options, and also as well, being that it's an Android system, you can also run Android apps too, which is really cool. That you can go through and treat it just like an Android system. You can browse through everything that's running. You can see there's a lot of stuff running right at the moment. You can run navigation, you can run movies, you can play all kinds of different things. But I really like that. I really think it's really cool and how you can upgrade your system and have it look basically factory. So, excuse me. So at this point, we're basically done. Configuring for Wi-Fi, setting up for if you wanted to have cellular and Bluetooth and what apps you want to run and all that sort of stuff, we'll probably cover in a future video of just walking through all the different functionality. But as is, you can see we're up and running, which is fantastic. All we need to do is reinstall the vent, get that back into place, be really gentle putting it back into place, put the 2 screws in and put your trim back on, and you're all good to go. So hopefully this installation was easy for you. And like I said, I'll probably cover a future plan to walk through all the functionality.